Mustang, guys. What is going on today? D Creative here, back with another video. And as you can see on the title of this video, we are going to try and power on the 98, sorry, I got too many Mustangs. The 95 GT. And for some of the people that haven't seen my last few videos, this is a car that has been sitting up for quite some time, okay? As you can see, it does have some damage. I actually cleaned the inside of it because it had a whole bunch of leaves, but as you can see the stains and watermarks and all that stuff. If you have watched the videos, you're probably still confused on how can I power up this car and there's no engine or transmission in there. I do believe since all the wiring and harness is there, the computer and everything is still there, I do believe I can still power this on. All I had to do is connect the battery. I feel like I can do something. My main thing is I want to make sure everything works. I want to make sure the fuel pump kicks on. I want to make sure the windows roll down. I want to make sure the key turns on the vehicle. Like, I want to make sure all of that works before I swap it into the Fox body. I am aware that all of these fuses are fine. I checked every single one of them. However, the ones that's underneath the dash might have a couple issues with. There are at least 4 to 5 fuses that are bad. Let me go ahead and fix that and see if I can get this to power on. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to rob the Fox body of its battery. So I got the battery out and it is sitting in the trunk. It's not connected though, because I do not want to cause some type of crazy spark or whatever if something was to not work right. Rule number 1, whenever you are messing with anything that's electronic, kill the power. So disconnect the battery, unplug it, whatever you have to do. And as you can see, I changed into this like Under Armour type shirt because there's glass in there and I don't want glass to be all in my elbows. I'm also allergic to mold. So I think there's mold in here. It's been sitting up. So yeah, just safety first. Probably should be wearing a mask too, but I don't have one. So we're just gonna send it. The fuse box is right there. So let's go ahead and head down that way. Honestly, it's pretty comfortable down here since there's no seats in it or interior. Yeah, but the mold is definitely there. I'm looking at the diagram with all the fuse boxes on there so I can see which one is which and see which one do I need and which one I absolutely don't need, because I don't have that many fuses. I'm already miserable, but let's go ahead and knock this out. Oh, would you look at that? This one is blown. So let's see which one this one is. That one looked like it is for the speed control amplifier, warning chime, clock, AC heater control assembly, anti-theft control module, and remote keyless entry. Probably would need that. So let's go ahead and replace it with something that we don't need, the wipers. I don't think we need the wipers. I went ahead and checked all the fuses. Yes, there was a couple fuses, but all of them didn't really go to anything I actually needed. I got my battery here now, and let's go ahead and just connect it and see what happens. Oh, snap. Well, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm almost positive I got fuel everywhere. All right, I know I'm not stupid. Well, maybe a little bit, but I mean, still, I don't know where the fuel lines are. Where's it shooting out at? Y'all check for me. That's the good thing about y'all helping me work on this car. Y'all can look for me. So if you see anything shooting out, just let me know. Tell me when to stop. Y'all see it? Thank you for showing me where the gas is leaking out at. So now I know to put this coolant jug right here. There's nothing in it. Hopefully that holds it. It's probably not, but I need to get these windows rolled down. So let's go ahead and do that as quickly as we can. I just need to double check and make sure everything is good on this car. Well, that's not working. It did catch a lot of that fuel, but this fuel looks pretty dirty. So I would not be using this. All right, so I got the blue cable right there disconnected, and that is for the fuel pump. So now I know that I can have it connected without having the fuel pump shooting out fuel. I don't know what that was about. I don't know why it was doing that, because the power wasn't even on. I might have to look into that, because I really don't want it to flood the engine. Maybe there's a safety pressure switch or something like that that's not on there to make sure it doesn't overfill the engine. I don't know. Yeah, I need to figure that out. I don't have enough time to really work on this right now. It's Wednesday night and I have to go to church. I'm a youth leader there, so gotta take care of the kids. All we figured out is the fuel pump works. I tried to turn it on, tighten up the battery terminals, turn on the switches. I tried multiple different things, and I ain't gonna lie, can't get it to turn on right now. I might have to do more research just to see what exactly is going on. See if I can figure out some type of loose wiring or something, because fuel pump works, but that's the only thing I see. If you have any ideas, please comment down below. And also while you're down there, make sure you check out my Etsy store. I have new merchandise up there for sale. My Etsy store is called The Average Car Guy. Go ahead, check it out. But also I want you to check out this video right here. I'm sure you will enjoy that video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Have a blessed day.